18-year-old charged with rape. Father charged after 3-year-old son fatally shoots himself with licensed firearm. Bus conductor shot and injured at bar in Nagohead. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. An 18-year-old from Greater Portmore in St. Catherine has been charged with rape after allegedly breaking into a woman's house and sexually assaulting her. According to police reports, the incident, which happened on Thursday, August 8, saw the accused, Romano Mour, gaining access to the woman's residence through an open door. He allegedly held the victim down on her bed, where he proceeded to sexually assault her. He was arrested after he was pointed out by the victim and was subsequently charged following an interview. His court date is being arranged. 57-year-old St. Catherine businessman Rowan Hines has been charged for the death of his son, who reportedly used Hines' licensed firearm to shoot himself. Hines is charged with failure to secure and store firearm and ammunition and child endangerment. It is reported that about 1:30 p.m. on July 28, Hines and his family were at home in Oak Place, Ebonyville, St. Catherine, when he went to dispose of garbage and heard an explosion. Hines reportedly found the mother of his child, clutching 3-year-old Rojan Hines in her arms. The child had a wound to the head. It was reported that the child shot himself with a Smith & Wesson 9mm pistol, which was placed under a sofa by his father. The injured child was rushed to hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The Spanish Town Criminal Investigations Branch seized the weapon in question and launched a probe into the matter. Hines was charged today. The St. Catherine South Police are investigating the shooting and injuring of a bus conductor at a bar in Nagohead, Portmore, early Thursday morning. It is reported that about 1 a.m., the 46-year-old victim was at a bar when he was pounced upon by unknown assailants who fired shots hitting him in the shoulder. He was assisted to hospital for treatment. The Portmore Criminal Investigation Branch is conducting a probe into the matter.